I was blessed and gifted with a lot of blueberries. I didn't know what to do with this many, but I asked, and someone suggested that I make blueberry pie. And what's better yet, that they had a recipe for blueberry pie on their page. So let's make blueberry pie. First things first, we've got to make our pie crust, but that's easy. You just add 2.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks or 1 cup of cubed frozen butter. We're gonna pulse that up until it's nice and crumbly, just like this. And then it stopped recording. I don't really know what happened, but I drizzled in half a cup of ice cold water until my dough started to form and it kind of pressed together when I pressed on it with my fingers. Then I'm going to dump all of that out and start folding and pressing it down onto itself to start forming those nice and flaky layers. Then I'm going to shape it a little bit, cut it in half, wrap them up, and they're going to go into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Once our pie crusts have chilled for at least 30 minutes in the fridge, we can take one of them out, start rolling it out with our rolling pin until it's big enough to form our pie shell. Then we're going to transfer it to our greased and floured baking dish or pie dish, sorry, and it's time for the filling. Now, if you remember, this is Sarah's recipe, so check out her page for the complete measurements on the filling. But it consists of blueberries, sugar, flour, cornstarch, cinnamon, nutmeg, and lemon juice, as well as some lemon zest. I mixed this all up, made sure every single last little blueberry is coated in this mixture. I proceeded to fill the pie shell with the remainder of that blueberry filling, made a nice even layer. Then I rolled out my other pie crust, cut it into strips for my lattice, and then I started latticing. Lattice, that's not a word. But, anyways, I did my lattice. I brushed it with some soy milk, topped it with a little sprinkle of sugar for some color, and then into the oven she went. Some people say that the hardest part about baking a pie is the pie crust or the lattice, and I'm here to tell you that it's definitely waiting 3 to 4 hours for this to cool while it's staring at you, looking all beautiful. Anyways, I topped this off with some dairy-free ice cream, some more of that blueberry filling on top, and my goodness, thank you, Sarah, for this recipe. Amazing.